If you take a look at our website or anybody else's that sells aiders, it can get confusing really fast. So today we're going to talk through all the different aider options that we have available to you on our website and help you make that informed purchase decision so you get exactly what you need. Outdoors, I don't believe in recommending gear unless I've trusted it in the woods myself. Over the years, I've been blessed to have a lot of success chasing deer, turkeys, predators, and more. One thing I've learned is your equipment matters when the moment counts. No gimmicks, no guesswork, just real experience from the field. Welcome to Revive Outdoors Gear Season 2026. First thing we need to talk about is what is an aider. If you're not aware of what an aider is, it is something that aids you in getting higher in the tree without having to have a 3-step, 4-step, 5-step stick. So you have single aiders, you have double aiders, you have triple aiders. So single is going to be 1 step, double is going to be 2 steps, triple is going to be 3 steps. You are going to have a lot of different options. So you're going to have Amsteel options. You are going to have rope options. You are going to have webbing options. So there's a lot of different options that you have, both on the type of material that you want, and then also you're going to have different step distances. So a good rule of thumb when it comes to choosing the step to step distance, you usually will see that it will be 14 or it will be 17. A lot of times people say that 17 inches is going to be for 6 feet and above, and then 14 inches is going to be for those people that are below 6 feet. One thing that I would tell you to do is to measure from your knee to the bottom of your foot. That way you know what it is that you need for your specific step-to-step distance. Me personally, I am only 5'9" and 3/4, and I personally like a 17 inch because I can pull up. I have a lot more flexibility than some people do, and so I will actually pull up and really get into that aider a little higher just to get me a few little extra inches. Sounds silly, I know, but that is just how I do it. If you want to go with 14 inches, you want to go with 17 inches, just take some measurements real quick, see what you think you need, and go to town with that. Now let's talk specifically about the different types of aiders. Again, you have the single step, double step, triple step, but you have different types of steps that they come with. This right here is from Hang Free. It has a little rubberized tube going around some Amsteel, and then it is spliced into it for the security and to make sure it is safe. When you look over here at this webbing one is going to be from the Amsteel Guy, and it is going to be simply a piece of fabric. It's all going to be weight tested, safety rated as well, but it's going to be a little bit wider piece of fabric, and it's not going to have any of that kind of roll filling or smaller step area that a lot of people don't like. On the Hang Free aider here that you have this tubing built into this aider, and so that's going to be twofold. It's going to give you a little bit more feeling on the step, but then it's also going to give you a little bit more structure as well, and then weight. So it's going to hang it down. You're not going to have to worry about accidentally hitting it with your foot, getting up under it, getting it tangled up, because it's naturally going to want to weight down, where the Amsteel aider is going to be a little bit lighter, and so you are adding a little bit more weight with this one. But for those of you that like to be able to feel a little bit more, you wear those thicker soled boots, you may want to go with something like this Hang Free webbed aider. For options when it comes to a lot of these aiders, you are going to see that it has the option to add some accessories. If you're on our website and you're buying, you're going to see that it has some options to add some cinchers, or they're going to automatically come with it. So a lot of times people will just throw these loops on the edge of their stick, and then they'll roll the cinchers up on it. That is not how you attach an aider. You always want to roll down that cincher. You want to girth hitch it, which is where you run it through itself, just like this right here, and then you take that cincher and you help cinch it down onto that rope where it's on that stick, so it's not going to go anywhere. And so it's just an aid. It's not the actual way that you attach it. You always want to girth hitch it and put it on the step, but you will have the option, or either it will come with, depending on whose product you are buying, whether it has the cinchers or not. Another thing that you have the option to buy, the Amsteel Guy, he has discovered that a lot of people like different options for different things. wings. And so he has the sleeve here that you can add to it to protect it just from wear and tear on that Amsteel. And then this white is going to be visible in the nighttime, so you have the ability to see it. And then this is going to be his Amsteel 8er with the tubing. It's going to be similar to the hang-free one, but it's going to be made out of a lighter weight Amsteel. Of course, all of the hang-free options that we have different weights as well, and so you just really pick whichever one you feel like is the best for you. Another option that the Amsteel is going to have, the Amsteel Guy is going to have on our website, is you are going to see the option to add a V bracket. All this simply is a 3D printed V bracket, so you can see this zip ties onto your bottom step. What that's going to do is when it is hanging down, especially those 3-step 8ers, it's hanging down on the tree, a lot of times the 3rd step will kind of naturally sway back into the tree because a tree is going to grow wider as it goes down, and so the 8er is going to naturally want to go into it. What this V bracket option add-on is going to do is going to give you the ability for it not to hit completely up against the tree, give you this little gap so you can get that toe of your boot on it. Again, this is an add-on. It's not something that you have to buy when you are buying the 8ers. When it comes to deciding, okay, hey, I want a single step, a double step, or a triple step, a lot of it's going to be personal preference. Again, the triple step's going to want to get closer to the tree the longer that it gets, and it's also going to be more that you have to secure up. So you are going to have some options on how you secure those to the stick. We're going to go through one of those right now. When it comes to stowing your 8er away, Hang-Free makes what is called the stick keepers. So it's simply just a little elastic string with a tensioner there on the end. What I'll do is I'll run these around the bottom of the stick. I'll actually girth hitch them, and then I'll run my 8er inside of them and stow them away. I know that this looks nice and tight, but you'd be surprised when I let this go that this is actually a 3-step 8er on here. So what I love to do is I love to stack these right underneath the synergy sticks here, and that way it still goes together nice and smooth. So you could see you could put multiple 3-step 8ers on this, stow it away nice and neat, still get high, but you don't have a lot of just chaos going on here at the bottom of the stick because you apply those stick keepers to it. So again, those are from Hang-Free, and they come in a few different color options that you can find on our website. And then we will feature some actual stick keeper like items later in the gear season that are coming out from some other companies as well. But if you are looking at an 8er option, you are definitely going to want to get some stick keepers to keep them stowed away nice and neat, because I can tell you I didn't have them last year, and the way that I was putting everything together and shoving it together, it became frustrating really quick until I got these stick keepers. So make sure that you grab some, that way you can attach these nice to your stick and then stow them away properly. But that's going to be pretty much everything that you need to know about 8ers. When it comes to pricing these, pretty much everybody's going to be in the same ballpark. It's going to be about 20 bucks, 30 bucks, and 40 bucks for a single, double, and triple step 8er. They're all going to be pretty comparable. So when you look on our website, that's going to be about what you're going to pay per 8er. I will tell you that I will run 3-step 8ers on all 3 of my sticks. I'm even considering doing a 4th stick this year just because the synergy sticks and the carbon lights are so light. It's just a great option to have. Get you way up there if you need to, or hunt low if that's what you need for that specific hunt. But I love having options, and you're not adding a ton of weight when you add those triple, double step, or single step 8ers. If you have any questions about 8ers that I didn't cover, please ask those in the comments. It helps you and everybody coming behind you. But just thank you so much. When you buy from us here at Revive Outdoors, you are supporting our mission, which is teaching adults how to hunt so we can share the gospel through that. We have tons of events throughout the year, workshops. We have community projects that we do. We just got done helping a widow do some repairs on her house. So every time you buy from us, it is going to make an impact in the kingdom, both in a positive and an eternal way. We've seen 55 salvations since we started Revive Outdoors, and we've seen almost 150 get connected with mental health counseling, and we can't do that without your support. Buy the gear for the deer that you're going to get anyways, and support a mission at the same time. But we thank you so much for watching. Hit that subscribe button. Only 19% of you that are watching are hitting the subscribe button. That's something you can do for free to support our mission and get it out to more people. But again, put the questions in the comments. Thanks for watching. We will see you on the next one.